Hello everyone, this is Palash. Today is my first day of creating a YouTube video, and I am a little bit of camera conscious person. I am not very much confident about when it comes to speaking with camera or you know uh, attending to larger audience. So this is my first YouTube video. Now why I started with this first YouTube video, I'll tell you a little bit of background about it. So I was a little bit into a fear mode, that what people will think, what will happen, and a lot of other stuff going into my head. So what I want to do today is I want to remove that fear and I want to start taking action. That is the first step that I am moving towards. So this is my first video. I am not hoping for any perfection, but let's see how it goes. The journey has already started. So yeah, thank you.